back again. And we are going to do a pretty simple, cute little hairstyle for Nina. And it should be one that will last her about a week. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, her hair is freshly washed, and while I was doing Nova's hair, it dried, so I'm gonna spray it down. It should be, it's pretty much detangled already. My spray bottle actually today has water, aloe juice, and a little bit of grapeseed oil. So I'm just gonna spray her hair down, comb it. Pretty much tangle free already. Here, pick your head up. I need you to keep your head up. Thank you. So I'm going to just make my first part, and it's just going to be right down the center of her head, starting at the tip of her nose, and just take it all the way back. Okay, so I am just going to tie this side up because I won't be doing anything with it right now. And we're going to start with this side. I need you to sit, please. Alright, so what I'm going to actually do on this side now is just split the hair in half. I'm going to go by like the tip of the ear and just split it across. I'm going to tie this away. I don't have any of my clips today. So now what I'm going to do is spray this part down. Just detangle it a little. Her hair is so thin. A fine tooth comb is fine for her. If her hair is mostly already detangled, this just makes sure there's no little tiny ones. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting in a little bit of her cream here. I actually have the Shea Moisture Low Porosity Leave-In Detangler that I'm going to be using. Okay, so after I did that, we're just going to make a few sections here. I'm going to make them pretty, well, on the smaller side because I want a little more sections for this style. Alright, so I got my first section here. I'm going to make another one. Here is our next little section. And what I'm going to do is just take the first section and gather it in with this one as well. And I'm going to do that all the way back to my part. And for the last section. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing, but I'm going to start down here in the back and come up with it and bring it to this one. And I have 4 parts up front. I'm going to probably do 4 parts back here as well. So I'm just going to start at the bottom, make my little first part here, and then combine them as I go. I'm just going to take this first one I created, combine it with the second one I'm creating, and put in my ponytail. Okay, so as you can see, I just did my parts, combined them, this one to that one, so on and so on. So I did it going this way 4, and from the back up 4. Now I have these 2 little ponytails that I'm going to combine together with a rubber band right in the middle. And there you go. So that is this side. Now you can leave these little curls out, just have 2 pigtails because we're going to do the same thing on this side. You can braid it and twist it, make a little bun, whatever you'd like. So I'm gonna do this side and then I'll show you the end. Alright guys, here is the final look. So I just did the same thing on the other side. Here, turn your head. Thank you. I just did the 4 going up and the 4 going back, connected them together in the middle, and we got these cute little pigtails. This is a super easy hairstyle. It's super cute, and it'll actually stay in her hair about a week and it'll actually look good. Like I said before, she's a very rough player. She loves to play constantly, play, play, play. So her hair doesn't take well to many styles, but this one is one that's really good. Now I'm just gonna leave her curls down. I put a little cream in them, defined them a little bit, and we're just gonna leave the pigtails down. But you can do different things with this. Buns, you can do twists, braids, whatever you'd like. But I think this is super cute. Well, that is going to be it for our video today, guys. I hope you like this hairstyle. I think it's super cute. It's very easy and it'll last quite a while for a hair type like this. It'll probably last even better for thicker hairstyle or thicker hair types, but it works both ways with either one. So thank you guys for watching. Give us a like button if you like the hairstyle.
Subscribe.
Yeah, consider subscribing because we have more styles to come and we'd like to share our journey with you guys, and we like your feedback. We'd like your questions, your tips. If you have any tips for us, so comment below with any of that, and give us a like. So that really helps our channel.
Bye.
So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.